good morning all. So now let us see our new topic. Same those topic we learned in last lecture, that was reproduction in insect. And today's we are going to discuss on the same, that is male reproductive system. Okay, in the last lecture we learned about this female reproductive system. Okay, so here the male reproductive system, it is a major function of this male reproductive system is, so here that production and storage of spermatozoa and their transport in a viable state to the reproductive tract of the female. लक्षात घ्या, ज्याप्रमाणे आपण फिमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टीम मध्ये आपण त्यामध्ये डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ लाईक oocytes where we learn, and also the storage of spermatozoa of male reproductive system. Okay, so here actually, so in male reproductive system, that is the different about in production and storage of spermatozoa, and what may be the production occur in male reproductive system of spermatozoa, that it's need to transport in a viable state. Why? For the proper fertilization there need for the female. Why? For the developing the oocytes, for developing the new generation, new offspring purpose. That's way here that need of this male reproductive system of this spermatozoa and its transport where in the female reproductive system. Okay, so now this is the male reproductive system of insect. ओके, ही मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टीमची फिगर तुमच्या स्लाइड वरती मी तुम्हाला दाखवतो आहे. ओके, आता मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टीम कंसिस्ट ऑफ or composed by the which are these parts or organ were involved in male reproductive system. Firstly, here pair of testes. बघा, pair of testes दिसतंय. इसे vasa differentia. Okay, pair vasa difference. And this is the seminal vesicle here. Now the common ejaculatory duct, this one common ejaculatory duct. Now here the paired accessory gland, this is one paired accessory gland, and lastly there is a part of this genitalia that known as a adagus or male reproductive organ, that penis. Okay, so these are the major parts that male reproductive consists composed by, or which can be consist of, and where that presence of testis, vasa deferens, seminal vesicle, ejaculatory duct, accessory gland, and lastly genitalia. Understood this all parts?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is all regarding male reproductive system. Now let's see in detail about its detail of this all parts. So firstly, this testis. These testes are the paired in structure and which are the located and which are present same like these female reproductive system, like a visceral cavity in the visceral organ that just above the digestive system of insect. ओके, म्हणजे डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीमच्या वरच्या भागाला, जे वरच्या पार्टला, हे आपलं टेस्टिस, जे पेअर्ड टेस्टिस दे अटॅच असतात. ओके, नाउ ईच टेस्टिस which having there is a presence of epithelial cell, and this epithelial cell is that required for the nourishment, for supplies that nutrient from the hemolymph, and which having also that there is the surrounding or around this testis, or which can be this each testis that presence of follicles here, egg, that means the sperm tube. ह्याच्यामध्ये जर तुम्ही बघितलं त्याच्यामध्ये स्पर्म ट्यूब आहे, and the sperm tubes required for the nourishment, nutrient by this the epithelial layer from this hemolymph. Even also around this testis that having the presence of that trachea and fat bodies. Okay, that were to supplied with the trachea by this oxygen and other thing, and this fat bodies that required for the nutrient. Okay, so this all are that required in this testis. Now each testis consists of number of oval shaped structure known as follicles or sperm tube. Look, this one, the follicles, याच्यामध्ये जर तुम्ही बघितलं, this is the oval shape tubular structure known as follicle, याला म्हणायचं follicles, or the in other way we can say the sperm tubes, याला follicles or sperm tube सुद्धा म्हणतात. And these sperm tube or follicles, these are present in each testis. ह्या प्रत्येक टेस्टिस मध्ये असल्या प्रकारचे follicles were that present, and it's a major function about that to production of sperm where occur, that spermatozoa. Okay, so each follicles that has a layer of epithelial cells for the nutrient supplies purpose, that nutrient takes place from this hemolymph of insect, and here this epithelial layer are that layer around this each follicle. या follicleच्या सभोवताल जे असणार the epithelial layers for the nourishment, for the nutrient purpose. Okay, now entire follicle जर आपण पूर्ण follicle जर बघितलं, which is covered by one membrane, and this membrane known as a peritoneal membrane. लक्षात घ्या, या follicleला जर पूर्ण अशा प्रकारचं follicles असेल, हे सेम हिअर each testis मध्ये पूर्ण follicle आहे, या follicleला that which is covered with the peritoneal membrane, and this peritoneal membrane where the testes are completely enveloped within a coat. ओके, याला एक कोटिंगचं काम जे केलेलं आहे, एनव्हलपचं जे काम केलेलं आहे, त्याला म्हणायचं स्क्रोटम. लक्षात घ्या, व्हॉट इज मीन बाय स्क्रोटम? Scrotum, it is nothing but in each testis, those are entire follicle were present. That means the sperm tubes were present. These covered with the, that means there is the envelope coat known as scrotum. Okay, so that is the scrotum. Means you understood this scrotum?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So लक्षात घ्या, त्याच्यामध्ये पेरिटोनियल मेम्ब्रेन असतं that presents for the covering, and this covering involved for these testis that to giving the envelope. Okay, and this all this covering that are present in a coat like forming structure, and this known as a scrotum. त्याला scrotum म्हणतात. Okay, so what is the function of this testis? Here the simple that like female reproductive system, there is the production of oocytes or eggs takes place, but here not like that. This function involved in testis. In case of this testis, of function is production and storage of spermatozoa, that means the sperms, and it's a production where occur inside the testis. Okay, this is the first part of male reproductive system, that is a testis. Now secondly, here our that testis is over. Now vasa deferens. What is meant by vasa deferens? These are the long tubular structure which are arise from these each testis. याची जर सुरुवात जर झाली असेल, त्या प्रत्येक टेस्टिस मधून जो पार्ट बाहेर निघालेला आहे, एक लॉन्ग ट्युब्युलर स्ट्रक्चर, and this long tubular structure which is formed by the vasa efferens. लक्षात घ्या, हे those are follicles and testes, those follicle present in each testis. हे complete, हे बघा, हे पूर्णपणे हे complete opening जे होतं, these are the opening from vasa efferens इथून. Now all these vasa efferens were these follicles which is union long tube where that opens through the vasa differentia. लक्षात घ्या, यामध्ये जे जितके काही असे वासा असे फॉलिकल्स असे असतात. ओके, दिसताय सर्वांना? येस ऑर नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बघा, मी ते एक फिगर काढण्याचा प्रयत्न करतोय. याचं एक ट्यूब असतं अशी सेम. ओके, दिस इज द ट्यूब, and this all follicles that are opens through vasa efferens. Here vasa efferens, हे बघा इथे दिलेला आहे vasa efferens, and this vasa efferens, this opens through the vasa differentia, that is the union here that mentioned long tubes and which is formed by the union of vasa efferents, and this vasa efferents which is involved or that having the function that receives the sperm from the testis, and they are the allowed there the transport to the ejaculated duct but through this vasa differentia. समजलं का तुम्हाला? जे काही याच्यामध्ये स्पर्म्स त्यामध्ये प्रोडक्शन झालेलं आहे व्हेअर इन इज टेस्टिस, टेस्टिस मध्ये जे काही स्पर्म्स देअर प्रोडक्शन ऑकर, दिस स्पर्म्स दॅट रिसीव्ह फ्रॉम दिस vasa differentia, but it is that transport through this vasa differentia from posteriorly ear, and this vasa differentia those are receiving sperm, these are that allow their transporting through the ejaculatory duct, and this is the ejaculatory duct of common the दिलेला आहे बघा. Okay, yes or no? Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Now what is meant by seminal vesicle? Seminal vesicle म्हणजे काय? It is a long tubular structure of this vasa differentia. हे जे का long tubular structure आहे, and this is the posterior part of this vasa differentia, and which is enlarged, and which is formed by the sac-like structure, sac-like structure, and this sac-like structure, enlarged sac-like structure of this vasa difference known as a seminal vesicle. And this seminal vesicle, this seminal vesicle which is involved for the storage of spermatozoa for temporarily for the few some time purpose, this seminal vesicle that working that a storage of spermatozoa. कळलं seminal vesicle म्हणजे काय? Seminal vesicle, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is nothing but it is a part of vasa difference. हा vasa difference part आहे, but which is the suddenly that enlarge, but where शेवटच्या क्षणी बघा posteriorly, हे बघा झालं enlarge, आणि ते कशासारखं झालंय? इट इज अ सॅक लाईक स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, आणि हे सॅक लाईक स्ट्रक्चरलाच म्हणायचं सेमिनल व्हेसिकल. and this seminal vesicle of male reproductive system which is involved or that having the function of the storage of spermatozoa for temporarily for some time. ओके, काही वेळेकरिता तो स्पर्मॅटोझोआ तिथं स्टोरेजचं काम करतं सेमिनल व्हेसिकल. नाव नेक्स्ट वन इजॅक्युलेटरी डक्ट. तर नेक्स्ट पार्ट बघूया इजॅक्युलेटरी डक्ट. Ejaculatory duct means what? Here that common ejaculatory duct that present in male reproductive system when both the vasa difference, बघा हा complete vasa difference आहे का नाही? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sir,
हा
it is. Yes, sir.
हा complete vasa difference आहे, दाखवतोय, दिसतंय तुम्हाला?
Yes, sir.
ओके, दिस वासा डिफरन्स ऑफ टू टेस्टिस आहे, दोन टेस्टिसचे वासा डिफरन्स वन अँड दिस इज वन सेकंड. यस,
Yes, sir.
these two vasa difference that coming from the each testis and which are combined or unites posteriorly to form a common median ejaculatory duct. जे काही टेस्टिस पासनं जे काही दोन वासा डिफरन्स असे बाहेर आलेले असतात ट्युब्युलर स्ट्रक्चर, आणि ते शेवट म्हणजे पोस्टेरियरली एक कंबाईन होतं, म्हणजे दिस आर दी पुट टुगेदर अँड फॉर्मिंग ए वन सिंपल ट्युब्युलर स्ट्रक्चर नोन ॲज ए इजॅक्युलेटरी डक्ट, नोन ॲज ए मीडियन इजॅक्युलेटरी डक्ट. कळलं का रे मुलांनो?
हो सर.
Median ejaculated duct समजलं. Ejaculated duct nothing but those whenever each testis that having two vasa difference tubular structure, and this vasa difference of both the testis are unites posteriorly. Unites posteriorly means combined posteriorly. शेवट येऊन ते एकमेकांमध्ये मिक्स होतात किंवा ते पुट टुगेदर होतात, आणि त्यांच्यापासून जो बनलेला जो एक ऑर्गन आहे किंवा पार्ट आहे त्याला म्हणायचं मीडियन इजॅक्युलेटरी डक्ट. कळलं? ओके, आता याच्याबद्दलचं बघूया की दिस इजॅक्युलेटेड डक्ट व्हाय देर आर द इन्व्हॉल्व व्हॉट इज द कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन इन मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टीम. सो दिस टर्मिनल सेक्शन ऑफ म्हणजे हे शेवटचं जे टर्मिनल सेक्शन आहे इजॅक्युलेटेड डक्ट, दिस आर द एनक्लोज इन ए फिंगर लाईक इन्व्हॅजिनेशन. एखाद्या बोटासारखं एक बॉडी वॉलचं एक कंबाईन ऑर्गन झालेलं आहे. isn't it? That is a finger like outgrowth or that invagination, or we can say the body wall of this insect male reproductive system, and त्याला म्हणायचं it is called as the male copulatory organ, or we can say that is modified in the form of eddygus or penis. त्यालाच त्या इजॅक्युलेटरी डक्टचं त्यालाच म्हणायचं की टर्मिनल सेक्शन म्हणजे लास्ट सेक्शन. हे बघा, फिंगर लाईक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ this imagination of insect body wall on ninth abdominal segment of insect that generally present in male insect, and this male insect, this finger like imagination or this part of body wall of insect but where in male called as penis. त्यालाच त्या मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टीमचा जो ऑर्गन म्हटलं जातं त्या इजॅक्युलेटरी डक्टचं जे टर्मिनल सेक्शनला, त्यालाच यामध्ये कॉप्युलेटरी ऑर्गन म्हणतात किंवा त्याला एडिगस म्हणतात किंवा त्याला पेनिस म्हणतात. सो दिस इज द अदर इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इजॅक्युलेटरी डक्ट. Then what is the function of this eddygus? Eddygus, it is the involved for this ejaculate the spermatozoa into the female reproductive system, where in the female genital tract, in the female genital chamber, this what may be the sperm received from this testes, seminal vesicle, vasa differentia, and ejaculated drug. This is that that storage, or that they can transport, they can that ejaculate inside the female reproductive tract through this penis or eddygus. Okay, understood this whole information of ejaculatory duct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now lastly, this is accessory gland. Here also same like female reproductive system, there is also presence of accessory gland. This accessory gland here, one or three pairs, here 1 to 3 pairs of accessory gland दिसते तुम्हाला? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here also this male reproductive system, this female that accessory gland involved to secretion of one seminal fluid secreted through this male reproductive system, and which is mixed with this spermatozoa. स्पर्म मध्ये ते मिक्स करण्याचं काम हे accessory gland करतं, and these glands are commonly called as a mushroom gland in case of the cockroach मध्ये या accessory glands that are modified in the form of mushroom. ज्याप्रमाणे मशरूमचं स्ट्रक्चर असतं त्याप्रमाणे दिस accessory gland look like this cockroach like mushroom and mantids. Why? These are the appearance like mushroom. ते कोणासारखं दिसतं? मशरूम सारखं दिसतं ह्या ग्लँड. दिस ग्लँड आर अपीरन्स कोणासारखं दिसतात? मशरूम सारखं दिसतात. That is called as this accessory gland, and these accessory gland are involved for the during the fertilization. So this secretion, mostly this sticky substance or that secretion, whenever that mix with the spermatozoa, and which is facilitate in the female reproductive system to sperm transmission from male to female. त्या ज्या वेळेस त्यांचं मेटिंग असेल, ज्यावेळेस त्यांचं फर्टिलायझेशन असेल, त्या क्षणी हे accessory gland, what may be the secretion involved by this gland, so these glands are facilitate the sperm transmission from male to female. So dear all students, this is the detailed information regarding of male reproductive system. Hope you understood this all. Read carefully. Okay, and then to